serve the coffee, the table should be cleared of everything. Place the sugars and sweeteners, as well as milk, if the customer requested it, in the middle of the table in front of the customer. Then place the cup, saucer, and spoon directly in front of the customer. The spoon should be on the side of the saucer. Next, serve the coffee. When you return after presenting the bill, clear off the table if there is anything left. Before taking away the bill, verify that there is a payment inside of the checkbook. Close out the check in the appropriate manner and then return to the table with a closed-out check.
A client's farewell should be perfect. Make sure to help them with anything they may need on their way out. Make sure to thank them and let them know they are always welcomed back. If you have time, walk them all the way to the door.